Hi guys! Today we are going to make a simple and delicious stuffed potato together. To begin with, we make holes in our potatoes with a fork. Then we pour olive oil along with salt. Rub all the potatoes with oil and salt. We put the potatoes in the oven until they are cooked well. For the ingredients inside, I used sausage and bell pepper, pizza cheese, and corn. Chop the sausage and fry it in oil. Finely chop the sweet pepper and set aside. I used cherry tomatoes to decorate the recipe. You can substitute whatever you like. We grate the cheese. We make a hole in the middle of the fully cooked potatoes and empty the inside. Mash the potatoes that we took out completely. Now we add sausage, capsicum, corn, and cheese to potatoes. We also use a spoonful of olive oil, salt, and pepper. We mix them. Fill the potatoes with the prepared ingredients. We fill them with cheese. Our cherry tomatoes. It goes into the oven. Add mayonnaise to the rest of the ingredients and serve with potatoes. Serve in the desired dish. Enjoy your meal.